Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I'm a little bit late. I was out and about in the world, and when I came home, look what was in my mailbox. Super excited. I have stayed away from the social media for the most part, so I'm still gonna do an unboxing and find out what all's in here. I did know that it was like a nautical theme. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so if you don't know what Paper Pumpkin is, it comes every single month, and it's a subscription box for paper crafters. So if you are interested, go to paperpumpkin.com. Feel free to put my name as your demonstrator. It's Jean Piersanti. You can also go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net and purchase your subscription there. That way you can enter the host code. And the host code is from June 16th through the 30th. And we'll be doing a mystery hostess for that one. So, okay, let's go ahead and open it. Now, they put out a little video. So I do know that there are like 20 little cards in here. But let's see, I haven't seen the stamps or anything yet. But here it is. It's called A Little Love. And it says, it feels good to do good. And even small acts of kindness can go a long way. That is so, so true. So let's go ahead and look at the stamps now. The color is Coastal Cabana. I just love these little ink spots. And then these are the stamps. Super cute. I love sand dollars. And then we've got some coral, a starfish. This said, you made my day special. You are amazing. Thank you. It means so much. My day is better because of you. And just a little smile. And then we've got, I don't know exactly what that is. Maybe we will see. It's definitely like a background stamp of some sort. But we'll see. Those are super cute. All right. Here we go. I love, love, love to look at the stamps. But I also love to unbox this plastic envelope here. Oh, I can already see some glittery sand dollars looking right there. I'm assuming that's what it looks like. Okay, we've got some twine, and that looks like it is a natural kind of crumb cakey color. I want to say this is Pool Party, but I'm assuming it's Coastal Cabana, seeing that that's what the ink spot was. And then inside here always comes with the Paper Pumpkin directions. So let's see. And oh, we're going to be doing the live class. I wrote it on here. It's going to be Saturday, this Saturday, the 22nd at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So you're looking at 3-hour time difference for Eastern. So, yep, 10 a.m. Pacific, which would make it 1 p.m. Eastern time. So that'll be here on this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and then the little bell if you want to be notified when I go live. For some reason I thought this was 20 cards, and I'm reading here that it makes 16 cards with an envelope. Look at these. Oh my goodness, little palm trees. That looks like a real sand dollar. I bet that is what the glittery thing is. And then it gives you little directions. Oh, let's see what that... Okay, I see. That little guy that I was talking about, this little guy, it's going to make waves. Like it's going to give texture for water, and it's going to give a little bit of texture for sand, maybe. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. We'll look further in here, but that's what I was thinking. Okay, let's continue on. We've got some little laser cut things here. Let's look at these. Are they vellum? They are. So you've got little vellum coral in there. Ooh, they're laser cut coral. And then some laser cut circles here, which is also kind of coral looking. Really cute. Oh my goodness. We're going to have so much fun on live doing these little cards. So I heard that there were mini cards. But I had heard there were 20, but I apparently am wrong. And this is a little envelope. So the thing is, they want you to kind of have these little cards ready to go. So you can like slip them in, you know, maybe your husband's pocket before he goes to work, or a friend's purse when she's not looking. Maybe just stash it on a coworker's desk, or even somebody like at the fast food counter. Super cute envelope. I'm loving this. So this will fit in your purse there, or your back pocket. Oh my gosh, these are so tiny. Look how cute they are. That's reference on how tiny they are. So they are cute little envelopes. Oh yeah, this is adorable. And we will definitely be making some in our live class into full cards, but utilizing this. I can already tell. We've got some more envelopes. This is in the Coastal Cabana, and then this is in the Old Olive. So really nice. All right, here we go. These are the little cards. So it looks like wood there. Oh, this one's going to be going like that with the palm trees, if we made them exactly as is. But you know we never do that. We always make our own. So the live ones we do together, and I show you guys how they're done on here, and then I show you some alternatives, and then you guys show me some alternatives. So we've got this one, really nice blend of the Old Olive and the Coastal Cabana together. We've got this one, which is going to create a really nice like ocean and horizon into the sky. And then we've got this one, which is making a beach there, right? Actually, I guess this is the beach part. This is the water coming into the beach. Got it. We'll get this. We'll get this down. And then these are all little flags that look like wood planks. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm already thinking. And then we've got some palm trees here. We've got some these palm trees which have a sandy shore there, and then just cutouts of palm trees. Oh, look at this. Is going to be so much fun. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to. I already want to do some cards. And then we've got some seaweed, I guess, or it could be like the little ocean flowers. We've got some more flags. These ones are white. And yes, these are cutouts of some starfish and some sand dollars, and they are in glitter. I wonder if these are stickers or if they're just cutouts. Okay, it looks like they're just going to be cutouts. So, which is cool because you can flip it over and just use this if you don't want it to be glittery. And then, of course, it always comes with some adhesive there. So there we go, you guys. We're going to have so much fun. And if you are not yet subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, you've missed this one, but you can get in on the next one for for July. And I'm going to put these back. All you need to do is go to mypaperpumpkin.com to get in an order for the July kit. Just do so before the 10th. And then it's costing me so much to put all this stuff back. I just want to already start stamping, but I wait for you guys. That's what I do. We got this all put away. And if you want to travel, excuse me, it is so great because with your first Paper Pumpkin, they send you a block. I'm looking to see if I have a Paper Pumpkin block. So you get a Paper Pumpkin block. It says Stampin' Up. And so there you can travel with it. All you really need are maybe some scissors, your block. It already has your, oh gosh, I can't think. I'm going to grab a couple other ones. Your little ink spots. But look, maybe you want it to be in Grapefruit Grove or Pool Party. Grab your colors, stick them in there, whatever you'd like. I also would maybe grab some snail adhesive. Throw one of those in there. And look, you're good to go. So there we go. I'm already ready for our class on Saturday. I hope you'll join me. And if you like Paper Pumpkin, give me a big thumbs up. If you are, oh look, I forgot to put this in there. If you are a subscriber, let me know. Let me know down below if you are already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. And then we'll see you on Saturday. If you're not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, also please leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts on why you're not, or if you have been in the past. Because I'll tell you what, I was a Paper Pumpkin subscriber in the past when they first came out. It wasn't everything I had hoped for, so I let it go. And then I decided I wanted to come back because I heard that the Paper Pumpkins were getting better. And they were correct. Oh my goodness. I mean, is this super cute? I like it. All right, I could keep talking forever just because I love this Paper Pumpkin. So, you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you Saturday. Bye.